Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Fun Math number 57.
Fun Math number 57. This is going to be a movie about multiplying in bases. This is the chapter we're on our Intro to Number Theory book. And the way we multiply in bases is very similar, if not exactly the same, to the way we multiply in base 10. I'm going to show you, just follow along because I want to go quickly with this, but you lead a little bit. What would be, if you were doing 134 base 10 times 43 base 10, what would be the first thing you would do?
I would do 100 times 43.
You would do 100 times 43? Okay. So what is 100 times 43?
It's 4300.
Okay. And is that going to be true in every base?
Yes.
Yes, because this 100 means 1 times 5 squared, and this 43 is 4 times 5 plus 3, okay?
Yep.
So when I pull in the 5 squared, I get 4 times 5 cubed plus 3 times 5 squared. So I get 100 times 43 is 4300 base 5. Now I got to do 30 times 43.
Well, you can break that down into 30 times 40.
Okay, good. What is 30 times 40?
It's 120 in base 10. But 1200 in base 10.
Okay, it's 1200. Okay. What is 12 in base 5?
It's 2, 2.
Okay, so I get 2200. That's 30 times 40. What do I got to do next?
3 times 3.
3 times 3, which is?
9. Well,
Okay, it's really 30 times 3, which would be 90. So 90. What is 9 in base 5?
9 is 1, 4.
Okay, so I get 140. So I forget my base 5. Okay, and the last thing I have to do is 4 times 40, which is?
Well, it's 160.
Okay.
In base 5.
It's 16 0.
And 16 in base 5 is 3, 1.
Okay, so I get 310 base 5. And last is 4 times 3, which is?
Well, it's 12, which is? 12 is 2, 2.
2 2.
And we have to add this up.
Then we have to add all this up. Well, this is nice. This is, well, it's a little crazy, but let's just add it up. So it's 6. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9. 6, 9, 7, 2, base 5. Okay, is this a valid base 5 number?
No.
No. Okay. So how do we fix our numbers? Do we go this way or this way?
We go from least to greatest.
Okay, is the 2 okay?
The 2's fine.
Okay, so 6, 9, 7, 2 base 5. The 2 is fine, but what do we have to do about the 7?
The 7, we need to change that.
To
it's 1, 2.
Okay, so this becomes 6, 10, 1, 2 base 5. Okay, is this a valid number base 5?
No.
No. Okay, what is 10?
10 in base 5 is 2, 0.
Okay, so this becomes 8, 0, 1, 2 base 5. Is this a valid base 5 number?
Gotta fix the 8.
Okay, and what do you get?
You get 1, 3, 0, 1, 2.
13012.
This is a valid base 5 number.
That is a valid base 5 number, and you know what? 1, 3, 0. We made one mistake. Good. People watching probably caught it. 7 is 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
And I wrote down 1, 1 accidentally. So that's a 2. That's a 2, and here we are. Now, the way you would check this is you could, if you wanted to check it a different way, you could convert to base 10, multiply, and then see if this was the number.
Yeah.
Okay, so sorry about that mistake with the 7. Again, 7, 0, base 5 is 1, 2, 0, base 5, which I think is what we said, but we accidentally wrote down 1, 1.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so this is the number you get when you do your multiplication. This is the number you get when you correct it, the digits, and you get 13022 base 5. So we learned 134 base 5 times 43 base 5 is 13022 base 5. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, you want to memorize some multiplication tables in base 5 up to 134 base 5?
No.
No. Okay. It's probably just good enough to remember how to do this.
Yeah.
All right, high five.